Hello my sugar plums, welcome back to my channel. In today's DIY guys, I'm gonna be showing you how I make my own custom design Christmas wreath. So for this Christmas wreath guys, it's easy, it's cheap, and it's your own design. So if you want to make it, just go ahead and keep watching that video. Now if it's your first time at my channel guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified on all my new upload, and give this video a thumbs up and give me a comment also. I will really appreciate that. Okay, for this Christmas DIY guys, what we're gonna be needing is two circle foam. We're gonna need lots and lots of Christmas balls. We're gonna need, different shape, different size, different texture, any type that you want you can add to this one. But mine, I was gonna make it silver and red and some gold also on it. Now we're gonna be using some regular pine cone and some glittery pine cone as well, those Decor one. For Christmas I'm gonna use a pretty Christmassy flower, and also I'm gonna be using hot glue, of course, to glue everything together. We also will be using some other little decor that we're gonna be adding after finishing the basic shape. So it's up to you what you need or want to add to the to your own decor. So basically the first thing we're gonna be doing is the basic shape of the Christmas wreath. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue those two little foam circles together because mine was not thick enough, so I wanted it to be more thick. Because I have some big balls I'm gonna be adding to them. They need to find a place to sit in. But one thing I have to mention guys, like right here, you see that the foam ball, the foam circle started to melt because the hot glue was really hot, so it will melt your foam. So be extremely careful if you're gonna be doing this. So what I did is I went after I glued the two circle the foam circle together, I went over it with a yarn, and then you can wrap the whole thing together, so that will prevent for your foam to melt if you're gonna go ahead and do this. Okay, so once we have more of the foam completely covered, I'm gonna go ahead with the big red balls and I'm gonna glue them all around the Christmas wreath. To make a basic Christmas wreath, we're gonna go ahead and glue it all around the foam, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add more balls as I'm going until I get to a point that I have to add other stuff. So I'm gonna let you watch this part, and then we'll be right back to show you or explain to you the next step. Okay guys, now so it's time for me to add the pine cone. I'm gonna go with the regular pine cone first. I'm gonna add 4 of them and glue them in the middle of the Christmas wreath, and then I'm gonna go over with the glitter one and then add them in each corner of to complete the little circle in the middle. So because they are have like a wire, what do you call this, the okay, I don't remember because they have the wire in it. I don't need to glue them, and it's my thing is foam, so I just stick them into the foam and pull them on the back, and then until I get them where exactly I want them, and then I'm gonna go on the back and cut the extra wire with my shear. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this, and then I will do the same thing for the Christmas flower that I have and add it at the very top. And then for the Christmas flower, I'll stick the little wire into it, into the back, making like a hoop that will help me for the hanging part later on. And then you'll see also I'm gonna go over the whole around the um, the bowls. I'm gonna add like little flowers, little Christmas stuff, just to complete the whole look that I was going for. And then I will also be adding little bows that I had, little plated ribbon bows that you see on the table. I make some little bows out of that big ribbon, and then I'm gonna be adding those ribbon on the Christmas. It's very self-explanatory, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and let you watch the whole video. We will come back for the final look, but again, guys, I wanted to thank you so much for all of you who have been subscribing to my channel, all the lovely and amazing comment that you've been leaving for me. I really appreciate it, guys. I love you so very much. Thank you so very much. I will come back to show you the final step. Again, as always, guys, at the end of the video, I always leave some pictures for you. So we'll come back once we finish the whole thing, and then we'll say our final goodbye. All right, guys, keep watching. We'll be back. Okay, so we are practically done with the Christmas wreath. The only thing I'm doing right now is I made a big bow out of the same, ribbon that I had before, and then I'm gonna add it at the very top of the Christmas wreath. So I'm just gonna go ahead and glue it like I glue any other one, basically with hot glue. So we're gonna put the hot glue directly on the bowl and on the ball, and then we're gonna go ahead and glue that to it. And then the only thing we're gonna be doing is add the little ribbon that's gonna serve as the hook on the back. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the same ribbon, a little piece of it, and then we're gonna turn our Christmas wreath over on the back, and then I'm gonna go ahead and tie the little ribbon in it and make like a little loop out of it, using the same little flower from the the wire from the flower, and then that's it, we are done. I'm gonna go ahead and let you finish watching the video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed that easy, very beautiful Christmas wreath that I make. And again, guys, you can make it with any kind of, you know, bolt that you want, any texture, any color that you want. You know, it's your own, you know, decor. Make it fun, you know, have fun with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave some little picture for you at the end. Again, thank you so very much for stopping by and watching my video. Leave me a comment, give me a like if you like this video. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Also, guys, thank you so much. If you haven't done so, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. I love you so very much, guys. Thank you so very much. I love you. Thank you for watching this video. Again, guys, as always, be blessed and stay blessed. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.